word that making small changes to your life can make a massive difference to the way that you feel.
I just felt so overwhelmed and inspired, you know, in that moment. I don't know what it was about it, but it just hit me.
Whatever song it is for you, music can be a really good way to press pause and find out what matters.
Whether you're looking to alleviate stress, soothe your soul, or just need something to help you get by, I'm going to be here to help.
Dr. Roman Chatterjee.
Sunday night from 10 on Radio 2, or listen wherever you